Hi guys, this is the part 2 of my squishy experiment. Yeah, sorry, I using this sexies because it's really hot outside. But anyways, I'm going to take out from the freezer. So let me check. Anyways, I'm using this table. Yeah. I can't, actually this is not like a table. This is actually not the table, but anyways, just let's get into it. So here is it. This is the package. So I'm just going to put just like that, but let me squeeze first the pumpkin because yeah, I don't want to squeeze the special first. Let me show. This is so hard than I thought. Oh, but it's quite squishy, but it's not really squishy, and this is really hard. I think this is Tom's Maybes. Yeah, and it's defective because I put it in the freezer. Here. And the next thing is this miso loaf bread. Quite hard. Wow, it's rising so slow. Just look at I'm squeezing this side. It's more slower. Maybe this is stumps, maybe too, cause it's really hard and it's rising so slow, but it's not pretty slow, but absolutely. This is the part 2, so we finished the part 2. Bye. Oh yeah, I forgot. I am going to cooking this for the next video. Hope you like it and enjoy it, and don't forget to check that video, and bye.